that. Last post that I've done on my Instagram was highly requested, so I've decided to show you how I did that eye look. I just finished filming my previous video. I'm talking about how to cover acne and blemishes and how to apply correctly foundation. So that's why I already have my foundation on. First thing that I'm gonna be doing in terms of eye makeup is to apply, first of all, a base. The base that I'm gonna apply today is actually a liquid eyeshadow. It is called holographic liquid eyeshadow. This one is from Cupio. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my hand, on the back of my hand, and after that I'm gonna apply this liquid eyeshadow all over my eyelid, and this is gonna be a light base for what I'm gonna apply next. You can also use an eyeliner gel, and after that you can go with the favorite eyeshadow palette. So this is how it looks like, and now I'm gonna be using this color here. All the colors are super pigmented and are very easy blendable. This eyeshadow palette is from Juvia and it's called the Saharian. I'm gonna take the eyeshadow with a flat brush and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. I make sure that I apply I was meant to say foundation. I make sure that I'm applying the eyeshadow very close to the crease. I want to fill in all the gaps here. And now I'm gonna be doing the same steps for the other eyelid. Perfect, so this is the first step. What I'm gonna be doing next is to take a matte eyeshadow color, and I think I'm gonna take this color here. Unfortunately it doesn't have a name. And I'm just gonna blend it very well, apply it in the crease and blend it very well with the natural hairbrush. I'm going with the same brush underneath my lower lashes and blend the product and blend the eyeshadow very well. Make sure when you are doing this step to keep the brush from this part rather to keep it too close, because in this way you will apply less pressure on it. So I'm going to take a bigger brush and I'm just blending the edges even better. I'm gonna move on with this brown, this dark brown. I'm gonna apply this color only at the outer edge of the eye. I make sure that I blend everything very well here in the crease. I'm gonna add a little bit of intensity using the same color, and I'm gonna be adding it even more in the crease and also under the lower lashes. I'm using the same brush that I've been using to apply the red color, the red eyeshadow before. And I make sure that I blend everything very well outside. I make sure that everything is very well blended. I don't want to see any lines between the colors. And when I'm blending, I'm using a natural hairbrush. Now I'm gonna be using this eye base from Louise. I'm using a tiny little bit, and I'm applying it with a flat brush. The brush is a synthetic brush. Actually, this is a lip brush. And I'm applying it in the inner corner with a smaller flat brush, and this one is from Natural Hair. I'm gonna be taking a lighter eyeshadow and I'm going in the inner corner of the eye. Next I'm gonna be using this double wear Estée Lauder Stay in Place, I think. yeah, same place eye pencil. This is black. I'm gonna apply this in between my upper lashes just to fill in all the empty places that I have here. And also I'm applying it a little bit at the outer edge of the eye, and I'm just trying to press it and take it outside. And now I'm gonna smudge everything very well. Now with my brush I'm just taking a small amount. This is a very creamy pencil and I'm just blending it very well. I'm not pressing too much. I want to create the illusion that I have some eyeliner on. I already did this eyebrow. Now I'm moving to my other eyebrow. Don't forget that you don't want to create angry eyebrows. So this part here should be always lighter than the rest of the eyebrow. Now I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier Eyelash Curler. I'm gonna give a good eyelash curl to my eyelashes. So this is how it looks like. The only thing that I have to do is to add some lipstick. You can go for a nude color. I will go for red because it's been a while since I didn't wear red. I'm gonna be using this red lipstick from Huda Beauty. The color is looking like this. This is called El Cinco. El Cinco, I think is pronouncing. El Cinco is in Spanish. Well, this is it. This is the final look. I hope that you like it as I like it. As I mentioned before, if you don't like to wear red lips, you can add a different other color, maybe something nude, which is gonna look awesome as well. I just like red lips and it's been a while since I didn't wear red lipstick, so I said this is the time, this is the moment. I know that I'm telling this in each video, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on that ring bell button below as well, because in this way you'll get notified when I'm posting something new. And see you next time!